is Mrs. Springer here with your word and sentence dictation for the week. We're also actually going to combine last week's and this week's bases. So as you see at the top, we're going to have 6 of them. So get your lined piece of paper and put your name and date at the top, and then line 1 or number 1 to 6. Word number 1 is millisecond. Millisecond. It took a millisecond to know the answer to the problem. Millisecond. Word number 2, centimeter. Centimeter. The rock was 5 centimeters long. Centimeter. Word number 3, decigram. Decigram. The scientists carefully measured out 10 decigrams of substance for the experiment. Decigram. Word number 4, decagon. Decagon. The student drew a decagon on his paper and turned it into a flower. Decagon. Word number 5, hectosecond. Hectosecond. The experiment lasted for a hectosecond. Word number 6, kilobyte. Kilobyte. The computer held 1 kilobyte of storage. Kilobyte. Okay, those are your 6 words for the week. Now make a space and then be ready for sentence number 1. Sentence number 1 says, the doctor prescribed a 10 milligram dose to help with her ongoing cough. The doctor prescribed a 10 milligram dose to help with her ongoing cough. Sentence number 2. The race was 2.5 or 2 5/10 kilometers through the forested trails. The race was 2 5/10 kilometers through the forested trails. Sentence number 3. The length of the wooden plank was measured to be 12 decimeters, which is equivalent to 1 2/10 meters. The length of the wooden plank was measured to be 12 decimeters, which is equivalent to 1 2/10 meters. And sentence number 4. The weather forecast predicted a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, making it a pleasantly warm day. The weather forecast predicted a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade, making it a pleasantly warm day. All right, those are your 6 words and 4 sentences for the week. I know some of these sentences are a little bit longer than usual, so please go back and re-listen to anything that you need. Make sure that you're going through your cups, making sure capital is at the beginning. Do your sentences make sense? Do they have all of the words in it? That's be the usage. There's a lot to these sentences. Make sure you have punctuation, and then check your spelling as best you can on those sentences and those words. Make sure your bases that we're learning are spelled correctly. Okay? All right. Have a great rest of your day.